3 ways to make people like you instantly. Hey, welcome to Brainly's site, where I share with you some amazing psychology tips and tricks that can help you in your everyday life. Today, I'm going to show you how to get someone to like you using some simple techniques that are backed by science. Sounds interesting? Then keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So, you have a crush on someone, or you just want to make a good impression on a new friend, or maybe you want to win over a potential client or boss. Whatever the case, you can use these psychology tricks to get someone to like you more. The first trick is called the Ben Franklin effect. This is based on the idea that people tend to like people who they do favors for, even if they initially dislike them. This is because they subconsciously rationalize that they must like the person if they are willing to help them out. So, how can you use this trick? Well, you can simply ask the person for a small favor, such as borrowing a pen, a book, or some advice. This will make them feel good about themselves and more likely to like you in return. The second trick is called the compliment sandwich. This is a technique where you sandwich a criticism or a request between 2 compliments. For example, if you want to ask someone to do something for you, you can say something like, "You're such a great person. I really appreciate your help. Could you please do this for me? It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. You're awesome." This way, you soften the blow of the criticism or the request and make the person feel valued and respected. The third trick is called the eye contact trick. This is based on the fact that prolonged eye contact can increase the feelings of attraction and intimacy between 2 people. Studies have shown that staring into someone's eyes for about 4 minutes can make them fall in love with you. Of course, you don't have to stare for that long, but you can try to maintain eye contact for a few seconds longer than usual when you talk to someone. This will show them that you are interested and attentive, and also create a deeper connection. So, these are some of the psychology tricks that can help you get someone to like you more. Try them out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome psychology tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.